What are you doing? Hmm? What are you doing? You're a little piranha. Hey. Nope. Nope. Al?
So on that day, were you able to sort of, after everything you went through, have a sort of confidence that you've come through some of these things?
I came to the clarity
That's enough.
that I can't live without Shannon. I love her deeply. She's the only
Who's a
one.
good puppy? Who's a good puppy?
Really tough to watch, let alone tough to see you move through. Which was the hardest job for you? Forgiving was not hard because
He wants to play. Let's take him out for
Hold on, wait a sec. Let him growl at you.
Hey! Come on.
Ah!
Let's go! Let's go! No.
the hard part was
Let's go! Come on, let's go!